All right, in this problem, we're being asked to convert 5 meters per second to kilometers per hour. This one's a little bit more challenging than some of the ones that I had done previous videos on. The reason being that we're asked to convert not just the numerator units, but denominator units now as well. So there's two unit conversions to think about simultaneously. So let's look at what we're being asked to convert and see if we can come up with any conversion factors that might be useful. We're asked to go from meters to kilometers. So from just the metric system, I know the definition of kilo is 1,000 of something, so 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. That's going to be an equivalency that I can use in a conversion factor here. Let's see, we also need to convert seconds to hours. I do happen to know that there are 3,600 seconds in an hour, just 60 times 60. All right, so that's going to be our goal. Change meters into kilometers and change seconds into hours, all in one problem. Let's write what we have on the left. And we'll introduce our first conversion factor. Now, we want to get to kilometers per hour. So I'm going to let the first conversion factor just change the numerator units. I'm going to get the meters to kilometers first. So I need to get rid of meters. So I need meters on bottom for that. I'm going to put kilometers on top. That'll be great because the meters will cancel, the kilometers will stay, and that'll get us closer to what we want. There's 1,000 meters in a kilometer. And if we were to just multiply right across right now, then we would have our answer in kilometers per second, which is closer to what we want. But now what's new is we have to get rid of the denominator units as well with a conversion factor. So let's bring another one in. How do you get rid of a unit which is down below? You actually have to put that same unit on top. So that's the tricky part, right? We have a relationship between seconds and hours. So let's put our hours down below and put the associated numbers with it. As we'll see here, the seconds will cancel and the hours will stay, and the puzzle is complete. Now, in order to enter this into a calculator, there is a quick way to do it. You can actually multiply straight across on the numerators. And then anybody who's down below, we can divide them. And just do divide by 1, divide by 1,000, divide by 1. Fast way to enter it into the calculator. You don't even need any parentheses or anything. So let's see what that gives us. Okay, I get 18. So our final answer is going to be 18 kilometers per hour. And it's done.